Component number 4 is what I call strength stability. So if we take the example, strength is the initial force, stability is the smoothness of movement and the maintenance of posture. So how do we do this? We come down into a plank and we lift an arm up. Now, strength stability is the ability to hold that position whilst lifting an arm up. Because the strength is the holding the position. You've got the endurance if you're doing it for a long time as well. With regards to the stability, it's when you lift the arm off the floor. Because the key to this exercise is keeping the hips centered. When you keep the hips centered, you don't get any of the compensations. So muscles have to work that much harder. So what you see a lot of at the start is you'll get people and they'll be like this. That's a compensation. That's because my muscles can't hold the position of the body. So they have to compensate and put it somewhere else. If we can maintain that position, we've got good strength because we're holding it. If we need to be able to do it for a long time, because again, we don't need to be able to do this for a long time. We could just do 1 rep and 1 rep. So we've got the strength and we've got the stability. So we've got the strength to hold it and the stability for the right muscles to turn on at the right time when I lift this arm up to maintain the position of the pelvis to give me the strength stability that I need. What we do start to do, we start to introduce this in the first 12 weeks of the program, but when we get to the second part of the program, that's when it really takes it up a level, because we start doing much more of this type of training and of component number 5.